Did you know that one Roman emperor once declared war on the ocean itself? This is the bizarre true story of Caligula, one of history's most unstable rulers. In the year 40 AD, Emperor Caligula marched his entire army to the northern coast of France. His mission? To invade Britain and expand the mighty Roman Empire. But when his troops reached the beach, something unexpected happened. The soldiers refused to board the ships. They were terrified of crossing the unknown waters to fight the fierce British tribes. Any other leader might have tried to convince them or found another solution. But Caligula was not like other leaders. In a fit of rage, he ordered his legions to attack the ocean waves with their swords and spears. He commanded them to collect seashells as spoils of war and declared victory over Neptune, the god of the sea. The emperor returned to Rome claiming he had conquered the ocean itself. This bizarre episode shows just how far Roman power had corrupted one man's mind, turning military might into pure madness.